guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shelly and I'm back with another video. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe for the vibes. So I just purchased a SD card. Went to several Walmart and they did not have any available, so I had to go back to CVS to get one. Wanted to do a little haul with you all. I'm about to do my hair, so I was like, you know what, let me show y'all. So I did pick up these from Walmart, this and this as well to secure the weave. And one of my favorites, I'm trying this brand, this flavor, the strawberry one. And this is what I really wanted to show y'all. So this is called the Geiger dupe. This is so good. And the chain can be wear long, you can wear it short. It has pockets and it's very deep. I really like this, especially for the summertime. You can't tell me this ain't the real deal. I like it, so. We're gonna go ahead and put this, we're gonna install this here in. I did show you guys this here in a previous vlog. Well, I have to change the battery on this camera. Just give me a second, guys. Oh, you know, one thing I didn't show y'all I got from Walmart. Walmart actually carries Dossier now. I did get it in the scent Amber Vanilla. So what I was saying before the camera cut off, I am a vanilla based girly. I like vanilla, almond, anything with coconut, shea butter, and a little bit of musk. I did not even see that this Amber Vanilla is inspired by YSL Black Opium. When I tell you this baby smells so good, it is amazing. If you have not yet smelled the Black Opium, I have the Black Opium, the YSL Black Opium. Go ahead and go to Macy's or any store in the mall and go and smell it, and then come back and smell this and tell me if it doesn't smell the same. They were spot on with this. And the Amber Vanilla from Dossier is $28, and YSL Black Opium is like $200. So you definitely will be saving a lot of money when you get the Dossier. You're saving coins, plus you're still smelling good. So I definitely advise you to go ahead and try this. Another thing is that when you're I like this. I like the magnetic cover. It's so good. Okay, so I was telling you guys about the packaging. This packaging is so sleek. I definitely like how it has this magnetic effect right here. So this is like super cool. Definitely give them a try. And this perfume here has the notes of alcohol, the not water fragrance. That can't be it. Okay, so the top notes are mandarin, pear, pink pepper, and licorice. The middle notes are jasmine, orange blossom, and the base notes is cedarwood. I could definitely smell the cedarwood in here. Vanilla, I can smell the patchouli, and coffee. This is very good. And it says how it works. Your dossier order, if you're, they do have a subscription service, so you can definitely go ahead and check them out and get the subscription service if you want. But I went into Walmart and I got it from Walmart. I really like it. It says 15% concentrate. When it comes to these perfumes, when it comes to your body and the fragrance that your body actually carries itself, it determines how long it's gonna last on you. But most likely perfumes like these last on me about 6 to 8 hours, 8 to 12, depends. And I'll definitely be wearing this and I'll let you guys know how long it lasts on my skin. But that is a recommendation that I think every female needs in her collection. So anyways, let's go ahead and braid my hair down so that we can definitely start the process of doing my hair. So I did wear my hair out for like what, a day and a half. My hair is definitely growing. I'm using a lot of aloe in my hair so that it can gain its strength back. So you can see that my sides is growing back as well. Ooh, this is the best part. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my comb and I'm gonna braid my hair back. I'm gonna do some cornrows. So this is how it looks. I'm gonna go ahead and put my stocking on. I do have to finish my hair later, but at least I have the base. At least I have the base done.